How are you?
We are fine.
Yeah. So please, can I ask you a question from this plant you see in front of you?
Yes.
Now the question is, which biological process takes place in this plant so that the plant can manufacture its own food? Raise up your hand if you know. Ruth, tell us which process?
The process is photosynthesis.
Raise up your voice, please.
The process taking place in the plant is photosynthesis.
So, if it is photosynthesis process,
Yes.
can you tell me some other common plants which use the same process to manufacture their own food?
Yes.
If you know one, raise up your hand. If you know one, raise up your hand. Now you tell me. Please, tell me one.
Mango tree.
Mango?
Tree.
Raise up your hand. Raise up your voice, please.
Mango tree.
Mango tree. And you?
Penny plant.
Fanny plant. Excellent. And you?
Orange plant.
Orange plant. And you?
Banana plant.
Banana plant. We have some more.
Avocado plant.
Avocado plant. And yours?
Cassava plant.
Cassava plant. So all of those plants uses the same process to manufacture their own food. Now, these plants, all plants manufacture their own food under the process of photosynthesis, as you have said. Now I want you to sing the song that infer the equation of photosynthesis, or the equation that the process of photosynthesis takes place. Are you ready?
Yes.
Start.
Photosynthesis, important life process. Photosynthesis, important life process. Produce carbohydrates from simple raw material. Produce carbohydrates from simple raw material. Carbon dioxide, water, the simple raw material. Sunlight and chlorophyll, condition for photosynthesis. Carbohydrate is the main product. Water and oxygen is the byproduct.
Wow. Do you repeat it? Please repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, start.
Photosynthesis, important life process. Photosynthesis, important life process. Produce carbohydrates from simple raw material. Produce carbohydrates from simple raw material. Carbon dioxide, water, the simple raw material. Sunlight and chlorophyll, condition for photosynthesis. Carbohydrate is the main product. Water and oxygen is the byproduct.
Excellent. Now from that song, I will need to ask you some questions about the same plant we are standing at. Now, who will tell us the raw materials for the process of photosynthesis? If you know the raw materials of photosynthesis, tell us please. The raw materials of photosynthesis process. Raw materials of photosynthesis process. Yes, please. Tell us one raw material.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Is it correct, class?
Yes.
Good. Now tell us the second one.
Water.
Water. Excellent. Is that right?
Yes.
Good. Now, after that, I want you to tell me what are the conditions necessary for photosynthesis to take place. Conditions necessary for photosynthesis to take place. What are they?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. That is condition number. Repeat. Say chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Excellent. Condition number 2. Yes, tell us.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. So there are 2 conditions necessary for photosynthesis to take place. Is it?
Yes.
Now, what is the main product of photosynthesis from the song? I want you to tell me from the song. What is the main product of photosynthesis? What is the main product of photosynthesis? Yes, tell us.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. The main product of photosynthesis is carbohydrate. Good. How about the byproducts of photosynthesis? What are the byproducts of photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis process will give the answer. Maybe I go there. Yes, please. Tell us the answer.
Yeah.
Please, louder.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, is that right?
Yes.
Is there any other byproduct?
Yes.
What is it? What is it? Maybe we get the answer from you. Tell us, what is it?
Water.
Water. So the byproducts are two. Which one and which one?
Water and oxygen.
Water and oxygen.